Hi y'all, and welcome back to Easy Nails, where I show you how to make easy, fun nails for everyone at home. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to do a lazy girl acrylic method. This is a super easy way to get beautiful acrylic nails at home. So here I am prepping my nails by using a 180 sanding band, and I'm basically just taking off the surface shine of the nail. You can also do this with a hand file. And cleaning off my nails with isopropyl rubbing alcohol. This is super important. It dehydrates, cleanses the nail, and takes off all the dust. Here I'm going in with a needle cuticle bit, and I am moving the nail drill bit from left to right all over the nail, going in one direction, and then I'm gonna flip it and go in the other direction. This is a super easy way to do cuticle work, and it ensures that your cuticle is not on your nail plate, and when this happens you will not have any lifting. Here I'm going in with another cuticle drill bit. I will be linking all these down below. I happen to get these ones from Amazon, and here you see me going in one direction across one side of the nail, doing this on all the nails. And I am not pressing at all. You do not want to apply any pressure to the nail. Basically just dragging it from one side to the other really gently, and the cuticle bit basically does all the work for you. You can see all that cuticle white dust there. That's all dead cuticle coming off of the nail. This step is super important to ensure proper adhesion to the nail and to make sure that your beautiful nails last. Okay, so here I just went in the other direction over the other half of the nail, and I'm using a manicure brush here and cleaning the nails really well with rubbing alcohol. Okay, so here I have these full cover nail tips. These are from MAKARTT, and I got these from Amazon. I will link it down below. This is a beautiful coffin shape here. And what I'm doing, these full cover nail tips just have a little tab in the top of it, so you just want to file that off. Okay, so here I have some beautiful glitters here. This pink and blue dot one is from Enailcouture, and then the hexagon, silver hexagons, I will link down below. And this light blue color is from Young Nails. And here you see I'm taking a really small bead of clear acrylic from Miasecret with my Glitterbels Hema free monomer. I applied that on the bottom of the nail. I flipped the nail over, applied that on the bottom. And here I arranged the glitters on top how I liked. And then I'm grabbing another bead of acrylic here just to adhere some more glitters. And then I flipped it over. This is super easy method. You can flip over the nail to see how it will look in the end. So it's kind of like peeking at the end result and twerking it how you would like to. So basically, to do this lazy girl acrylic method, you are going to add beads of acrylic on the bottom of a full cover nail. Really small beads at a time, working at the tip first, not the nail bed, the tip first. You're going to apply your glitters or colored acrylic as you may like. You can flip it over to see how it's going to look. And really small beads. This is going to work as kind of like a glue to adhere your glitters or pigments or even acrylic colored powder, however you may like. And then eventually what I'm going to do here is I'm going to put acrylic on the nail bed, and we're going to press this on to the nail. It's a really cool method, and it's super easy. And don't worry if that acrylic there dries on the tip. That's a-okay, no worries there. As long as you don't let this acrylic be dry, the one that I just put down, this one you are applying on the nail bed of the nail, and then I put a little bit to cover up that acrylic that we put on the tip. And here you're going to see I'm going to press down. You can see pressing out all those air bubbles, kind of similar to the way you would apply your Après nails, full cover nails, Gel X nails, or even your MAKARTT nails. Okay, and you can see, you just want to make sure you hold that down. I took that clip out, but you want to make sure you hold that down to the nail firmly for at least 30 seconds to let the acrylic set. And then it's stuck on the nail. And here I'm going to show you guys how to do that again. So again, we're taking teeny tiny beads of acrylic, applying them only to the tip of the nail. We're going to apply that glitter in there, arrange it how we like, taking some of that blue glitter. It's hexagon shaped glitter. It's really beautiful blue color, and this holographic silver. And then we have these pink and blue dot glitters and this light blue iridescent glitter. And I'm just placing that on the tip of the nail, working down into a fade. And again, this is a super easy way to apply acrylics. It's a really lazy method. It's super, super fast. Anyone can do it. You don't need any skill of acrylic nails to do this. Super easy. Anyone can do this at home, and the results are just incredible. And you want to make sure that you're applying here super thin layers of acrylic. And again, you can take a sneak peek at how that's going to look, since these are clear nails, by flipping it over and seeing how that glitter placement looks on the other side. And if you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. I'd be happy to help. Again, just grabbing this beautiful silver hexagon glitter mix and applying that with the acrylic. Alrighty, and here I believe I'm gonna apply the bead to the nail bed, actual bottom of the nail bed of the fake nail. You're gonna apply a really small bead here, you can see that. And then you also wanna apply a bead to the entirety of the nail, also the tip. If you don't do this, you're gonna have a rough surface from the glitters that we used on the bottom. So you wanna make sure you apply a small bead all over the nail. And then you're gonna press down starting at the cuticle and work your way towards your free edge. This is gonna ensure absolutely no air bubbles in there. And you wanna make sure you hold this down for at least 30 seconds to make sure that that acrylic has set. And let me assure you guys, these nails are not going anywhere. They are super strong on the nail, and they last 2 to 3 weeks.
I hope that the lighting is good. I don't know.
Infill. Again, here I'm applying a really small bead at the tip of the nail towards the cuticle area, but focusing more on the tip. And then I'm applying this beautiful silver hexagon holographic glitter on there, and you can see how the glitter just sticks there, but it gives you enough time to really work around with it and move the glitter wherever you want to on the nail. And if you feel that the glitter is not sticking, don't be afraid to grab a really small bead of acrylic and use that to adhere more glitter onto the nail. And it ends up just giving it a more layered look, so it comes out really, really pretty in the end. And you guys, you can really use any acrylic with this method. You can use colored acrylics, you can do glitter fades, you can apply stars in here and different shaped glitters, anything you'd like. It's super, super easy method. There's no filing here. The shape is always on point. That's my hardest part, struggle with shaping. When you use this acrylic method, your shape is always on point, perfect and flawless, just like you came out of the salon. Super easy, lazy method to apply acrylic, and it takes absolutely no time. All right, so I'm taking that final bead here and I'm applying it near the cuticle area. And it's a rather small bead. And when you press it down your nail, if you have any spillage of the acrylic, you can always really quickly take your brush and just scrape that off. Okay, you want to press down from the cuticle area down to the free edge. You're going to see the acrylic moving there. Press it down from the cuticle area to the free edge, and this is going to ensure absolutely no air bubbles. And again, you see you have time to take it off and replace it onto the nail here. You have a little bit more time than you think. It's pretty forgiving, the acrylic, with this method. And you want to make sure that you press onto the nail really hard. Hold that in place for about 30 seconds to a minute. This is super important. If you do not hold down the nail, press down really hard for about 30 seconds to a minute, the nail will not stick because you're not giving the acrylic enough time to properly set. Okay, so here I just grabbed another bead of clear acrylic. This is Miasecret acrylic, and grabbing these beautiful silver and blue holographic glitters, applying them onto that wet bead of acrylic on the tip of the nail. And again, I think this is pretty clear, guys, but I flip the nails over. I'm applying the acrylic on the bottom of the nail. And again, you can flip over the nail to see how your final result is going to look with that glitter fade. See if you want to add more or less glitter in certain places. Here I went in with this beautiful magenta and blue dot glitter. Alright, so here I'm going to do the most important bead. This is what is going to adhere the nail to our natural nails. Grab a really small bead of acrylic, getting that all in the nail bed area. And then you want to press this onto the nail. Again, you are pressing from the cuticle down to the free edge, pressing the nail onto your natural nail from the cuticle to the free edge. And then you want to hold it down there in place firmly for about 30 seconds to a minute. Okay, you guys can see how easy and fast that was. The lazy method to apply acrylic nails. Super easy and fast. Perfect for beginners. Absolutely no nail skills required for this. And here I am applying a no wipe top coat all over the nails. I love this part. You see those beautiful glitters come through. I'm applying a layer all over the nails here. And you want to make sure when you are working with this top gel that you apply thin layers. And you are going to cure this in your UV LED lamp. This particular top gel is Nouveau nail top gel, and it requires a 60-second cure. So we are going to cure those nails. And now after they cured, we are going to top gel the bottom of the nails. This is a super fun step to do when your nails are semi-transparent, because the nails are going to look so cool. You're going to be able to see through parts of them. So this is a super fun hack to do to top gel the bottom of the nails. And just cure your hands upside down like that in the lamp for 60 seconds. Alright, and here we're just going to wipe off that tacky layer if your gel has any. And you see here we got really beautiful salon-like acrylic nails in no time using the lazy acrylic method. I hope you guys enjoyed. I absolutely love this method. It is super quick, and the nails always come out looking perfect. No file needed. Perfect shape and perfectly on point. Gorgeous glitter blue hexagon silver flake fade. Applying cuticle oil, super important to nourish those cuticles. Do not miss this step. And there you go, you guys. These are just absolutely flawless nails, and they apply beautifully to the nail, and these will last you 2 to 3 weeks. Beautiful. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching Easy Nails. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. As always, I'm Easy Nails, and I'll see you guys in the next one.